Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is classified as an ice giant and is known for its unique features, including its sideways rotation. It is roughly 4 times the size of Earth. In terms of distance from the Sun, Uranus is located about approximately 19 astronomical units. Uranus is predominantly composed of hydrogen and helium, similar to Jupiter and Saturn, but it also has a significant amount of ices such as water, ammonia, and methane. The presence of methane in its atmosphere gives Uranus its distinctive blue-green color. Methane gas absorbs red light, which results in the planet's blue-green appearance. Like Saturn, Uranus has a system of rings. However, its ring system is relatively faint and composed mainly of dark particles. Uranus has a total of 27 known moons, each named after the characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The largest moons are Marinda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. Marinda in particular is known for its complex and varied terrain. Uranus rotates at a nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. This unique tilt makes Uranus appear to spin on its side. This extreme tilt leads to extreme seasons, where each pole experiences about 42 years of continuous daylight, followed by 42 years of darkness. This is all about Uranus. Subscribe to my channel. Give me feedback for this video.